Hello everyone, it's February the 3rd, 2015. I'm going to talk about the Windsor Hum. The mysterious Windsor Hum traced to Zug Island, Michigan. Okay, the source of the mysterious Windsor Hum in the southwestern Ontario city is on Zug Island in River Rouge, Michigan, according to federally funded report released. Now, this report was released back on May 23rd, 2014. And according to Essex Conservative MP Jeff Watson, he released the report's findings at a news conference at the Great Lakes Institute for Environmental Research at the University of Windsor. He stated that the mysterious noise, the humming noise that's in Ontario, Canada, they call it the Windsor Hum. He said that, Watson said U.S. officials must now determine the precise location of the noise. So they know where it's coming from, but they don't know the exact location where it's actually, coming from. So, copies of the federal report have been given to Michigan Governor Rick Snyder and the mayor of River Rouge. So looks like the people in Canada they really want to know where this noise is coming from. Now, on that island, Zug Island is the home to a U.S. steel operation and is an area of concentrated steel production and other manufacturing. So they need to get together. Looks like the federal report was given to the governor of Michigan and to the mayor, and they want to collaborate and they want to actually find out where this humming noise is coming from. I mean, it's a steel factory and manufacturing company business over there. I mean, it could be a lot of things. I mean, they are manufacturing steel. But anyway, the University of Windsor professor Colin Novak, he also was one of the lead researchers in pinpointing where that Windsor Hum was coming from. And he said, unfortunately, we weren't able to find that smoking gun. Novak said he and his partners needed more time and U.S. cooperation to pinpoint the source. So the study time just wasn't long enough, he said, especially for a sound like this, one that doesn't manifest itself on a regular time interval. It's like chasing a ghost, he said. Okay. And he also said that Novak, the professor at the University of Windsor, he said that there now needs to be cooperation with all levels of U.S. government and companies on Zug Island. It seems like this humming noise is really getting to them in Ontario, Canada, enough for them to do a federal report and get in contact with the U.S. government. So the humming noise is, I don't see any more reports, any recent reports on this, as in, it's 2015 now, and this was last put out, reported back in May 23rd, 2014. The mysterious Windsor Hum. So if I see any more updated information, I will keep an update on this. Thank you for viewing, and please subscribe.
Sound that this man went so far as to capture on his computer.
This is the hum signal. This is the Windsor Hum signal.
It can rattle windows and seems to come and go, which is why not everyone's heard it.